What's up guys, Joe here. So today we're going to ceramic coat this Toyota Xrunner. I believe it's a 2006, hasn't been detailed in quite a while, so let's get started.
After cleaning the wheels, we'll rinse down the body and then foam it down. As the foam is dwelling, this is a perfect time to grab a detail brush and get into all the cracks and crevices. After letting the foam dwell on the surface, I'll rinse and repeat the process and wash the truck, then move on to our next step, which will be the Iron X decontamination. Iron X will remove any tar, grime, or brake dust that might be embedded in the paint. This is a crucial step before any polishing or color correcting can be done. So we're going to spray it down, let it dwell for 2 to 5 minutes. Now we don't want to let it dry, but we do want to let it sit on the paint and do its thing. Now some colors are hard to tell if the Iron X is doing anything. Iron X turns purple when it comes in contact with any fallout. On this color, it was easier to see as it dripped down from the panels than it was on the actual panel itself. After giving it a good rinse, now we can move over to our next step, which will be the clay bar. There's a few different ways to clay bar paint. In this case, I will be using some soap, a clay pad, and I will be going in a side-to-side motion, never in a circular motion. Do one panel at a time, then rinse the panel off, move over to the next panel. Now that the paint has fully been decontaminated, we can start on our color correction process. As you can tell, the paint isn't in the greatest condition, so we're going to use the Meguiar's Ultra Cut compound with a microfiber cutting pad. Prime your microfiber cutting pad with 4 pea-sized drops of compound and spread it around, making sure you mix it into all the fibers. Start on a low speed to spread the compound around. Bump up the speed as you go and work the panel in a 2x2 section. You don't need to add too much pressure. Just let the microfiber cutting pad and the compound do their thing. We will follow with Meguiar's 205 polish after compound. Now that we have found the steps to achieve the results we were looking for, I'll apply the same steps to each panel. After I've completed the color correction process, now is a great time to fill any small rock chips. Remember what that tailpipe looked like? Yeah, let's detail that too. Now there's a few different ways we can polish this. In this case, I'll degrease the tailpipe, grab a good amount of polish, and with a little elbow grease, I'll rub the polish in with my hand. Then I'll wipe away the polish with a microfiber towel. Now this is just to clean the surface. Then I'll use a microfiber towel with some polish on it and repeat the process. After wiping down each panel with an IPA cleaner, this will remove any wax or grease left over. Now it is time to ceramic coat. Let's prime our applicator pad with an ample amount of ceramic coating. I like to start with side-to-side passes, then finish with up and down passes. My theory is to finish in the direction you'd want dirt to travel, so in this case, down. After letting the ceramic flash, wipe off the panel with a microfiber towel, then follow with a suede towel, ensuring that there's no remaining coating on the panel. I use 1 microfiber towel per panel, then a suede towel every 3 panels. Then I'll toss the towel away, ensuring that it doesn't get mixed in with any of my other towels, as the fibers can harden and it might scratch the surface. If you're in the Las Vegas or Oregon area and you have a cool car that needs a detail, shoot me an email at thelighttouch@gmail.com and your car might just be featured on my YouTube.